Hi everyone, I'm Chef Alvin from Crowne Plaza Changi Airport. Today I'm going to show you Buah Keluak fried rice. We heat up the pan first. Put some cooking oil. I'm going to fry a bit Char Siew, make it more fragrant. With the remaining oil, just add in some more oil. Put in the egg first. Lightly stir, scramble it. And while it's still wet, put in your overnight cooked rice. Mix well. Now then I add in this garlic. 1 spoon. Now it's still very high heat. Okay, now Char Siew go in. Liver go in. Overnight rice are very dry. When you cook, it's actually very easy to loosen. Now put in Buah Keluak paste, 2 big spoons. Sambal Belachan, 1 teaspoon. If you like more spicy, you can put more. Stir well. And now you season it with a little bit of sugar to balance up. Pepper powder, soy sauce. Lastly, hotel Garnish wine from the side. And I'm done. Oh. You can smell the Buah Keluak. Omelette Egg. Sweet again. There you go.